I want to do this with you. And I know you want to do it with me, so why are you so worried?
Because I don't want to end up like this.
Like what?
Like you and Seth. It's not one of those decisions you can just make and change your mind later.
I'm not changing my mind. No one's changing his mind.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. You know, he used to sit there on that rock when he was a kid, for hours, practicing. And if he even thought you might be listening, he would stop immediately and wait for me to walk away.
I don't need another screwed up family.
Neither do I.
You check for ticks?
Ticks?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't checked for ticks.
No, you haven't checked for ticks.
I think we should check you for ticks.
Yeah.
You
I
ever
know where you're
special
gonna
ticks?
start.